Let's create the first fall recipe here on Delightfully Styled. Here I have an apple crumb loaf. It came out so delectable and so moist, as you can see here in the video. So the first thing we're going to start with is 1 egg. Guys, this recipe will be on my blog. I'm using Kerrygold butter. You can use any butter that you like. I'm going to go in with some milk, and then I'm going to give that a little stir. Here I'm just whisking it together, and then I'm going to put it in a different bowl because I'm going to go in with the dry ingredients. Here I have cinnamon, salt, baking powder, and flour, and I'm adding sugar to this mixture. So you want to give that a little stir, and then I'm going to add in the shredded apples here, and I'm going to give it a good stir. Remember that you can use your butter little parchment papers that they come wrapped in. I'm going to use mine to line my loaf pan with. This works perfectly. The sides are greased and the bottom will be greased from the little parchment paper from the butter. Here I'm going to only pour in half of the loaf mixture, and then I'm going to put crumble on that part. And then I'm going to go ahead and pour in the second half and put crumble on the top as well. This will go into a 350-degree oven for about 45 to 60 minutes. I'm using a brown butter frosting or drizzle. And there you have it. An apple crumb loaf, my first recipe for this fall. Remember, you can find the recipe on the blog. I hope you enjoy.